Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. My name is Mayawa Latif. I'm a remote sensing and GIS skill developer, and I would urge you to like, share and comment in this channel, and you can subscribe so you can get our videos when it is being uploaded rather. In today's video I will be showing you how to add Google base map to ArcGIS Pro, and we are going straight into it. Before adding the Google map rather, I would add the imagery so we can be able to see the difference and compare it. So this is the S3 imagery, and now I'm just going to add the Google base map. So I'm going to go to data, then add data, then I would come down to ArcGIS Online. Here we can see it here. Then I'm going to change this from default to layer files and packages. Then I will come here and type Google satellite. Very good. So I'm just going to pick one, then I select this and press OK. So we can see the Google satellite, we can see the imagery, the word imagery, and the Google satellite, the word imagery, the Google satellite. So let me just zoom in to any region of interest. So okay, good. This is the Google satellite and this is the word imagery. You can see the difference. Yeah, so that is how you are going to add your Google base to your ArcGIS Pro. If you have any question, please do drop it in the comment section and I'm going to attend to it. And if you want me to make any other video, I will be glad to do that. Please just drop it in the comment section and I will attend to it as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so you can get updates on everything we post and every educational resources we upload. Thank you very much. Bye.